Welcome to our exploration of the timeless elegance of wooden pencil holders. In this video, we'll delve into the charm and practicality of these simple yet essential desk accessories. Wooden pencil holders have been a staple on desks for generations, offering not only functionality but also a touch of natural beauty to any workspace. Crafted from a variety of wood types, each pencil holder tells its own story through its grain patterns and finish. One of the most appealing aspects of wooden pencil holders is the craftsmanship that goes into their creation. Skilled artisans use traditional techniques to carve, sand, and finish each piece by hand, ensuring a level of quality and attention to detail that simply cannot be replaced by mass-produced alternatives. Beyond their aesthetic appeal, wooden pencil holders are also highly functional. With compartments of varying sizes, they provide a convenient storage solution for not only pencils but also pens, markers, rulers, and other office supplies, helping to keep your workspace organized and clutter-free. Whether you're a student, an artist, or a professional, wooden pencil holders offer versatility that adapts to any environment. Their timeless design seamlessly blends with any decor style, from modern to rustic, adding a touch of warmth and sophistication to your space. Unlike plastic or metal alternatives that may deteriorate over time, wooden pencil holders are built to last, made from sturdy hardwoods like oak, maple, and walnut. They withstand the test of time, becoming cherished heirlooms that are passed down from one generation to the next. In an era where sustainability is paramount, wooden pencil holders offer an environmentally friendly choice. Harvested from responsibly managed forests, wood is a renewable resource that can be recycled or composted at the end of its life cycle, minimizing the impact on the planet. From sleek and minimalist designs to intricate and ornate patterns, there is a wooden pencil holder to suit every taste and preferences. Whether you prefer the natural beauty of finished wood or the rich hues of stained or painted finishes, the possibilities are endless. Wooden pencil holders embody a perfect blend of form and function, offering timeless elegance and practicality for any workspace. Whether you're seeking to add a touch of sophistication to your desk or simply looking for an eco-friendly storage solution, these versatile accessories are sure to stand the test of time.